Today's question is 81 raised to the power of 5 minus 81 raised to the power of 4. We will solve this without using any calculator. I am going to solve this question by using our mathtricks. First observe the numbers. What we have? We have 81 raised to the power of 5 and minus 81 raised to the power of 4. The first term 81 raised to the power of 5, we can write this as 81 raised to the power of 4 plus 1. Isn't it? Now it is in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. Similarly, the first term we can write it as 81 whole raised to the power of 4 times 81 raised to the power of 1 minus the second term we have 81 raised to the power of 4. Here 81 raised to the power of 4 and here is 81 raised to the power of 4 common. So let's take it as common. 81 raised to the power of 4 take it as common. So we left with 81 raised to the power of 1, which is 81 only, minus 1. 81 minus 1, which gives 80 only. So let's write here 80. First we will find this 81 raised to the power of 4 value. This 81 raised to the power of 4, we can write this as 81 raised to the power of 2, again whole raised to the power of 2. Isn't it? Now we have times 80. First we are going to solve this 81 raised to the power of 2 value. So whenever you have a number end with 1, you have to follow this trick. First you have to multiply the unit digits. 1 times 1 is 1. Just here write as a double digit 0, 1. Then multiply the tens digit, which we have 8 times 8, 64. Just write 64. Then multiply diagonally. 8 times 1 is 8. Again multiply diagonally. 8 times 1 is 8. Then add these two, which is 8 plus 8 is 16. Just write that number in middle. That's it. So 81 whole raised to the power of 1, the value is 6561. So 6561 whole raised to the power of 2 times 80. Now we have 6561 whole raised to the power of 2. Now I will show you how to do 4-digit number square. Let us take an example. The 4-digit number 3846. Now I am going to show you how to do square for this 4-digit number. First we have to make 7 positions. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. First we start with the 7th position. For the 7th position you have to take the unit digit and do square that unit digit. 6 square is 36. So let's write 7th digit as 36. And then come for the first digit. So for that you have to take the first number. That means in thousands place, which we have 3. And do the square of that 3. 3 square is 9. Just write 9 here. Now we are doing the 6th position. For that you have to take from last 2 digits, which is 46. So this 46, what you have to do? Multiply tens digit by unit digit, which will get 24, and then double it. That is 48. Just write that number on the 6th position. Now we are doing the 2nd position. For the 2nd position, now you have to take the remaining, the first 2 digits, which we have 38. 38 also do the same thing. You have to do 3 times 8 will get 24. Then do times 2. That means you have to double that 24. So which is 48. Just write the 48 here. Now we are going to do the 5th position. In 6th position we are taking the last 2 digits, isn't it? So now we are doing the 5th position, means we have to take the last 3 digits, which is 846. So let's take 846. Here you have to multiply the extremes. That means you have to multiply the first and last digit. Only extremes only multiply. So 8 times 6 is 48. And 48 you have to do double it. 48 double is 96. And remaining what we have the middle number is 4. So that 4 you have to square it. So which is 16. Just add that 16 here for this 96. The 96 plus 16, which gives 112. That is your 5th position. Same like that. Now we are doing with the 3rd position. That means you have to take from first, second, third digits, which we have 384. Same like the 5th position. What you have to do? We have to multiply the extremes. 3 times 4, which is 12, and then double it. 24. And the middle number you have to square it. 8 square. 8 square, which is 64. Add these two numbers, then we will get 88. So that is your third position. Just write 88 at the third position. Now we left only the fourth position. So there you need to take all the 4 digits, which we have 3846. Just like the third and fifth position, you have to multiply the extremes. So 3 times 6, which is 18. 18 you have to double it. So 18 double is 36. Now here we have not middle number, we have not single digit, we have double digit. So you have to multiply those two. 8 times 4 is 32 and you have to double it. Before we have only the single number, that what we did only square. But here we have a 2 digit number, that's why we have multiplying and we are doing doubling. So 32 double is 64. Add these two numbers, then you will get 100. After that you have to add all this. Now it's time to write the result. First you have to take the unit digit 6 and then remaining 3 you add to the previous number. 48 plus 3, which was 51. Just write 51 here and take only 1, and the remaining 5 add to the next number. So 112 plus 5, which is 117. So just take only the 7. The remaining 11 you just add to the 100. 100 plus 11, which is 111. Just take only 1, and remaining 11 you just add to 88. 88 plus 11, which is 99. So just take only 9 here. Then remaining 9 you just add to the previous number. 48 plus 9, which is 57. Take the 7 and remaining 5 add to the 9. So 9 plus 5, which is 14. So the result is 14791716. So like that you have to square the 4 digit number. Now come to our question. So what we have 6561. Same like that we are going to do the square of this 4 digit number. So what we have to do first, make the 7 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for the 7th position you have to square the unit digit, which we have 1. So you just write as the double digit 0, 1. Then for the first digit you have to square the first number, which we have 6. 6 square is 36. Then for the 6th position we have to take the from last the 2 numbers, which we have 61. Take the 61 and multiply 6 times 1. The result you have to double it. So which we have 12. Just write the 12 here. Same like that. Now you for the second position you have to take the first 2 numbers, which we have 6, 5. You have to do 6 times 5, which is 30, and double it. That is 60. So just write 60 as your second digit. Now go for the 5th position. For the 5th position you have to take the last 3 digits, which we have 5, 6, 1. Here what we have to do, multiply the extremes. 5 times 1, which is 5, and then double it, that is 10. Then the middle number you have to square it. 6 square, which is 36. After adding this, then you will get 46. That is your right on your 5th position. Now come to the 3rd position. You have to take from starting, you have to take the first 3 digits, which is 656. 656. What you have to do, multiply the extremes. 6 times 6, that is 36, and you have to double that one. 36 double is 72, and the middle number you have to square it. 5 square, which is 25. Add these 2 numbers, then you will get 97. Just write as your 3rd position. Now for the 4th position you have to take all the numbers, which we have 6, 5, 6, 1. So here also what we do, multiply the extremes. 6 times 1 is 6, then double it, which is 12. Then take the middle numbers. 5 times 6 is 30, then double it, 60. So after adding, then you will get 72. So write the 72 in your 4th position. Now it's time for the result. For the result you just take the 1 as your unit digit, then 0 add to the next number. So just take 2 and 1 add to the next number. 46 plus 7, 47. 7 write it here, and 4 take it to the next number. 72 plus 4, which gives 76. Just take only 6. Then 7 take it to the next number. 97 plus 7, which gives 104. And 4 take it here. Then 10 add to the previous number. 60 plus 10, which gives 70. Then 0 take it, and 7 add to the 36. 36 plus 7, which gives 43. So the result is 43046,721. That is the result of 6561 whole square. 43046,721 046,721 times, we have to do times 80. 80 we can write as 8 times 10. First we will do by 8, then we do by 10. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, just write 6 here, 1 here. 8 times 7 is 56, then 1 57, then 8 times 6 is 48, 48 plus 5 is use 53, just take 3 here, then 5, then 8 times 4 is 32, 32 plus 5 which gives 37, just write 7 here, remaining because of 0 you have to remain 3 also, you write it here. Then what we have, 8 times 3, 8 times 3 is 24, 4 write it here and 2 take it outside. Then 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 which is 34, and still you have to do by 10. After doing by 10, then you will get 344,373,7680. That is your final result of this question, which we have 81 raised to the power of 5 minus 81 raised to the power of 4. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.